Today, let's talk about a key tool for sustainable growth, the Environmental Impact Assessment, or EIA.
Growth or green? It's the big question. How do we actually manage to get both? For policymakers, it's a constant tightrope act, balancing the economy, society, and the environment.
So what exactly is an EIA? Think of it like a scientific forecast for a project's environmental footprint.
You can't measure impact without a before picture. Skipping this baseline is a huge economic risk.
A good EIA isn't just red tape. It helps you catch problems early and design much better projects.
Okay, so who's actually responsible for all this? Let's break down the key players involved. Everyone has a specific job, but the public's role? That one's a real game changer.
And this is exactly why public hearings are so important. They ensure local voices are actually heard.
But what's on paper doesn't always match reality. The quality of these EIAs is all over the map.
You see a real split. Developed nations often have strong rules, while developing countries can face major gaps.
And this isn't just an international thing. Let's take a closer look at India, for example.
States with better resources and expertise just do a better job than those facing shortages or tough geography.
Okay, but what about the cost? Is this whole process just an expensive headache or a smart investment?
Well, the cost is actually tiny. We're talking a really small fraction of the total project budget.
So it's not a burden at all. Think of it as a small investment for huge environmental returns.
But the investment is wasted if there's no follow-through. Get this, fewer than half of projects report back.
So how do we fix this? How do we make the system stronger for a truly sustainable future?
Digital platforms like India's Parvesh portal are a huge help. They make things way more transparent.
The path forward is clear. Enforce the rules, empower local communities, and treat this as an investment.
Because in the end, it's not just about protecting nature. It's about designing a smarter future for all of us.